Hi everyone, I am Jaisley Paisley Diamond and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a kitting up video for this Hello Kitty Valentine diamond painting that I have. So I have everything in my art dot suitcase. So we're going to start with number 1, which is just purple, like a light lavender purple shade. Number 2 is just black. Number 3 is red, and there are multiple reds in this kit. This is like a beige shade, which is number 4. This is number 5, which is just like a brownie shade. This is number 6, which is another pinky purple. This is number 7, which is like a magenta, or like a rosy pink shade. And here's number 8, which is like a lighter pink shade. And there are 20 shades in this kit. This is number 9A, which is more of an orangey red. It's hard to tell on camera. This is number 10, which is gray. Number 11, which is just a light baby pink. This is number 12, which is, it looks more orangey on camera, but in person it's like a pinky red. This is number 13, which is a purpley maroon, I guess. This is number 14, which is just another brownie shade. And this is number 15, which is a lot of pink. There are a lot of pink diamonds in here. It's like a lighter pink. It's coming up darker on camera. This is number 16. This is just green. And this is number 17, which is another lighter pink. It's darker than the baby pink, but not too dark. And this is number 18, which is like a bluish white shade. And that's going to be for Hello Kitty. This is number 19, which is another purple, a mid-tone purple. And this is the final jar, which is just another pinky purple shade. So yeah, all of those are going to go on this canvas. And that's it for today's video. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more diamond painting content. Thanks for watching.